Snake versus eagle, who would win? When you imagine a wild showdown between a snake and an eagle, a vivid image appears instantly. Razor-sharp talons, majestic feathers of a sky predator, and a coiling serpent ready to strike. Yet nature rarely gives simple answers. The outcome of such a clash depends on many factors: the exact species, size, environment, strategy, reaction speed, and even luck. Below is a detailed breakdown, blending biology, real-life examples, and vivid combat scenarios to answer one question. When does the snake win? When does the eagle win? And why? 1. Context. Determines everything. A snake versus eagle fight isn't a fixed duel. There are thousands of snake species, from tiny hatchlings to massive pythons, and many types of eagles or raptors with very different sizes and hunting styles, such as the golden eagle, sea eagle, vulture, and hawk. Some general rules. Environment. On land, snakes have cover and ambush advantage. In trees, climbing snakes excel. In water, sea snakes dominate. In the sky, eagles rule with vision and aerial speed. Relative size: a grown golden eagle, 3.7 kg, with wide wingspan, can overpower small to medium snakes. But a giant python or anaconda, weighing tens of kilograms, could crush an eagle easily. Biological weapons. Snakes rely on muscular constriction or venom to subdue prey. Eagles depend on razor talons, powerful beaks, and aerial assault tactics. 2. When the eagle has the upper hand. The eagle wins under several conditions: small or medium-sized snakes. A strong eagle can grab and carry off snakes weighing just a few kilograms. Attacking from above, it strikes the midsection with its talons and tears with its beak. Unless the snake is extremely venomous, the eagle usually prevails. Snakes that can't coil tightly. Many raptors wrap their talons around prey, keeping the snake's head at a safe distance. Their ability to hold and manipulate prey mid-air gives them an enormous advantage. Venomous but small snakes, even highly toxic snakes like small kraits or vipers, are no match if they can land a bite. Eagles often grip them mid-body, far from the head, minimizing the danger. In the wild, countless photos and videos show eagles hunting snakes for food. Golden eagles, sea eagles, and kites are skilled serpent hunters. With superior eyesight, they spot prey from hundreds of meters and dive in like a missile. 3. When the snake has a chance. The snake wins in these situations. Large constrictors, pythons, anacondas. If the snake can wrap around the eagle's legs or body, it can crush and suffocate it. Huge constrictors have been recorded killing large birds when given the chance. Big venomous snakes. A single strike from a cobra, black mamba, or large sea snake can inject enough venom to paralyze or kill a bird quickly. If the eagle gets bitten in an unprotected area, like the leg, the snake might win. Snake-friendly environments. In burrows, tree hollows, or dense vegetation where the eagle can't swoop effectively, the snake's ambush ability gives it the edge. In the wild, some giant snakes have swallowed large birds, including raptors. There are documented cases of boas crushing seabirds or hawks that ventured too close. 4. The deciding factor: venom or muscle. Venom. Snakes generally use two main types: neurotoxins, paralyzing, and hemotoxins, damaging tissues and blood. An eagle bitten by a neurotoxic snake could lose muscle control and fall mid-flight. But venom only matters if the bite connects, and raptors are experts at avoiding that. Muscle power. Constrictors rely purely on strength. If they manage to coil around the eagle's wings or torso, flight becomes impossible. The bird is doomed. 5. The eagle's survival strategies. Raptors evolved several smart tactics against snakes. Aerial strike. They dive from above, grab, and lift before the snake can react. Keeping distance. Eagles usually clutch snakes mid-body to prevent a counterbite. Drop technique. Some eagles are known to lift prey and drop it from height to stun or kill, even snakes. Caution and intelligence. Eagles avoid snakes too large or too dangerous, choosing only what fits their skill level and energy need. 6. Realistic battle scenarios. Scenario A. Grassland. Small non-venomous snake. They're one ma'am. An eagle circles high, spots the snake below, and dives. Its talons pierce the snake's midsection, pinning it down. The snake writhes and tries to bite, but its reach falls short. Within minutes, the eagle tears it apart. Winner, the eagle. Scenario B. Rocky bushes, large python, 20+ kiris. The eagle, hungry, swoops at a coiled python. Too late. The python lunges upward, catching the eagle's leg and wrapping tight. The eagle flaps frantically, but the snake's strength crushes its ribs and wings. Winner, the snake. Scenario C. Forest edge. King Cobra versus smaller eagle. The eagle strikes from above, but the cobra rises and lands a lightning-fast bite on the bird's leg. Neurotoxins spread quickly. The eagle loses control and falls. Winner, the snake, if it lands the bite. 7. The draws and unexpected outcomes. Glancing bites. The eagle may get injured, but escape. Neither truly wins. Human interference. Many recorded encounters end with both rescued or separated. Juvenile animals. Young snakes or eagles are unpredictable. Outcomes vary wildly. 8. The ecological lesson. It's not about who's stronger. In nature, the goal isn't glory. It's survival and food. Eagles hunt snakes for nourishment. Snakes avoid birds to stay alive. Evolution grants each species advantages for its own niche. So the question, who's stronger, only makes sense within context. A simple rule of thumb. Eagle wins against small or non-venomous snakes. Snake wins if it's large, venomous, or in a confined environment. Luck, timing, and environment decide the rest. 9. Real-life observations. Many North American and European eagles routinely hunt snakes. Their speed and grip end fights quickly. In Asia and Africa, eagles sometimes face cobras. Sometimes the bird wins. Other times it's bitten fatally. Massive constrictors like boas or anacondas have been observed overpowering large birds when they manage to ambush them first. 10. Final verdict. The short answer. Small or non-venomous snake, eagle wins. Large or highly venomous snake, snake wins. Environment and luck often decide the outcome. Nature has no fixed rules, only survival instincts. 11. Final thoughts for the curious. The snake versus eagle. Rivalry perfectly illustrates one of nature's timeless truths. Being in the right place at the right time can mean life or death. If you're creating a video, story, or illustration on this topic, focus on the species, size, and setting. That's what determines the outcome. In the end, every creature is designed to thrive in its own way, and sometimes one's triumph simply becomes another's meal.